Welcome to our channel. If you're an avid rider or just looking to explore your options in the world of motorcycles, the debate between electric motorcycles and gasoline motorcycles is hotter than ever. Which one is right for you? Is it the eco-friendly, futuristic electric ride, or the raw classic power of a gas-powered bike? Let's dive deep into the key differences, benefits, and drawbacks of each to help you make an informed choice. Power and performance. Electric motorcycles. Electric motorcycles are known for their instant torque. The moment you hit the throttle, you get full power without any delay. This means you'll experience smooth acceleration and impressive responsiveness right off the bat. With advanced motor technology, these bikes are capable of high speeds, but their performance can vary based on battery capacity and motor design.
Still wasting money on ads that get ignored? Let influencers tell your story. Promotional Pack connects your e-com brand to the right niche influencer to reach your target audience. Get more sales with less spent. Link in description.
Gasoline motorcycles. Gas-powered bikes typically rely on internal combustion engines, which give a more gradual buildup of power. These bikes are often known for their high top-end speeds and performance at higher RPMs. You'll experience that classic roar and engine vibration, which many riders find thrilling. However, they usually require more maintenance over time to keep up their peak performance. Range and refueling. Electric motorcycles. One of the biggest selling points of electric motorcycles is that they are becoming more capable in terms of range. You can expect anywhere from 80 to 200 miles on a full charge, depending on the model and battery size. However, one challenge is charging. While fast charging stations are becoming more common, a full charge can still take 4-8 hours at home. Gasoline motorcycles. Gas-powered motorcycles usually offer a longer range between refuels, typically between 150 to 300 miles, depending on the tank size. The best part? A gas station is rarely more than a few miles away, and refueling only takes a few minutes. This makes gasoline bikes more convenient for long-distance trips or touring. Maintenance and longevity. Electric motorcycles. Electric bikes have fewer moving parts compared to gasoline-powered ones, which means less wear and tear. There are no spark plugs, no oil changes, and no complex exhaust systems. However, battery life is a key factor to consider. Lithium-ion batteries typically last for around 8 to 10 years or 100,000 miles, after which they may start to degrade, and replacement can be costly. Gasoline motorcycles. Gas bikes require regular maintenance, including oil changes, chain adjustments, spark plug replacements, and more. While these bikes can last for many years with proper care, the cost and time required for maintenance is much higher compared to electric motorcycles. The engine can also suffer from long-term wear, reducing performance and efficiency. Environmental impact. Electric motorcycles. Electric motorcycles are significantly more eco-friendly. They produce zero emissions, and the energy used to charge them can be sourced from renewable energy. While the production of lithium-ion batteries does have environmental impact, it's still far less than the emissions produced by a gasoline engine over its lifetime. Gasoline motorcycles. Gas motorcycles burn fossil fuels, which leads to emissions of CO2, nitrogen oxides, and other pollutants. They contribute to air pollution and are not as sustainable as electric bikes. However, for riders who still want to use gasoline, many motorcycle manufacturers are working on greener alternatives like biofuels or more efficient engines. Riding experience and sound. Electric motorcycles. The riding experience on an electric bike is smooth, quiet, and incredibly responsive. The absence of engine noise is one of the most notable differences, and it offers a calm, serene experience. Some riders may miss the sound and vibration of a traditional engine, but others appreciate the quiet performance. Gasoline motorcycles. For many, the sound of a gasoline engine is part of the thrill. The growl, the roar, and the vibrations are an integral part of the riding experience. Gas-powered bikes also give you a sense of connection with the road through engine feedback, which some enthusiasts prefer over the more refined ride of an electric bike. So which one is right for you? It depends on your priorities, whether you value eco-friendliness, lower maintenance, or the classic experience of a roaring engine. Both electric and gasoline motorcycles offer unique advantages, so it's all about what fits your lifestyle best. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Ride safe.